Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, I have clearly told you that gold is continuously on a higher side. Okay, why? Because see, pre-elections was coming. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend after this particular range, whenever the range breakout happening, we have seen a good upside. If you look at this particular range, there is an upside, and when there is a range bound is moving out of this zone, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Looking at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is a continuous higher and higher side, because what we have seen, the dollar index started going down at this particular level, but whenever it started going upside, we will see the gold price was also moving higher. But as soon as it made a new high of around $27.90, there is a downfall we have seen in the price of gold, because what we have seen, dollar index continuously moving upside after the pre-election, and as soon as the result came, what we have seen, that is a sharp fall has come, because the dollar became very strong, and that is where we XAU price has come down. Okay, it came down towards a level of around 2640 around. Okay, and after that there is an upside and it tried to cover up that level, and now it is trading at a level of $2694. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see in the next week. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now looking at this particular chart, I've clearly explained you there is a similar patterns are formed at these levels, and now after this range moved out, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, similarly this range has moved after a very long time, and this range has moved after a long time, so there is a continuous upside coming at this level. What we can see in the next week. Okay, I've given the mail IDs also in the description, Telegram link. Now let's see how the dollar index is. The index is continuously on a higher side, that is dollar getting stronger. That is where we have seen the gold prices coming down. I have clearly stated you previously that 102 is a strong level, so if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see. The price is already above this level, and as soon as the price started going above a level of 104.637, we can see there will be an upside, and if started going above this level, a probability of touching 105.4 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain a further upside movement, we can see this is the range. So if it started going upside, we can see there will be a further high, but if that started going down, we can see it can go towards 103.8, and after that it can come down towards 103.3. Okay, and this is the range. So if it started falling below this level, a chance of touching 101.9 will be there, and from this level a bounce back can come. But if started falling below that particular level, a chance of touching 100.4 will be there, 100.4 will be there, and then a further fall. Okay, but if keep sustaining above a level of 104.6, it can go towards 105.4, and from there a further upside towards a level of 106. Okay, remember this, that when the price of dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. This is what we have seen. Okay, always remember, when you start your trade, try to put the SL, that will save your capital, and trail the SL, so your profit will be saved. If you are in profit, remember these two things you have to do. Now coming back on again on the gold, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see chances are high that now it is trying to go higher, and it's already above a resistance, a level of around 2685. Okay, so if the price moving up this level, a probability of touching a level of 2709 will be there, and if that level sustain, a further upside towards 2722 we can see. Okay, these are the two resistance. One started sustaining over $22, then we can see a level of $27.49, and one started sustaining over this level, a probability of touching a level of 27.59 will be there. Okay, after this level we can see a level of 27.59. After that it will go towards a level of 27.90, which is a half this zone. So if it started going over this level, we can see a level of 2800, then to a level of 2820, and then to a level of 2850. So keep trailing by $7 or $10 according to the volatility. Okay, and chances can be high you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, now if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, this is a strong level, a level of around 2680. $5. So if the price started falling below this level, we can see it can go towards a level of 26.76. Okay, and if that started going below that level, we can see a level of around $26.64. Suppose if the price started going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 26.41 will be there, because this level is already been weak, so chances are high it can go towards a level of around 26.27. Okay, once started falling below that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of $26.02. After 26.27, we can see a level of 26.02, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 25.90. Okay, and this is the zone. So if it started falling below 25.90, we can see a level of $25.85. Okay, and then a further down, see a level of 25.30, and if the price moving below that level, a further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give it the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.